Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Muazzam Manzoor and now I'm going to teach you about hypothalamus as an endocrine gland. I would like to start off my discussion with few questions. A option is oxytocin, B option is prolactin, C option is ACTH, D option is melanocyte stimulating hormone, E option is prolactin and MSH, and F option is none of these. And first statement we are having is the hormone produced by hypothalamus. So यहाँ पे कीवर्ड है produced by, and the best response to this question is alpha. Oxytocin is basically produced by the hypothalamus, and yes, it's stored and released from the posterior pituitary. Another statement, hypothalamus inhibits production of. So hypothalamus basically it inhibits the production of prolactin and the melanocyte stimulating hormone. It inhibits the production of prolactin from the anterior pituitary and production of MSH from the posterior pituitary. So best response to this question would be E. Another statement, hypothalamus stimulates production of. So hypothalamus basically this stimulates the production of the ACTH from the anterior pituitary. Another statement, which hormone of hypothalamus acts on median pituitary? So you've seen here that out of all these hormones, not even a single hormone is acting on the median pituitary, not even the MSH, क्योंकि MSH तो खुद से median pituitary का hormone है. So best response to this question would be F, that is none of these.